We've all been there, a mistake, a heartbreak, a regret, something we wish we could erase, redo, or forget. But the past isn't a place we can fix. It's a lesson we're meant to learn from. Still, we often replay it in our minds, over and over, thinking, what if I had done things differently? Why did this happen to me? Will I ever heal from this? But here's the truth, you don't move on by forgetting. You move on by forgiving. Forgiving yourself, forgiving others, and choosing not to let yesterday define your today. You are not your past. You are not that one decision, not that one moment, not that one painful chapter. You are a whole story, one that is still being written. Moving on doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're strong enough to stop looking back. It means you're choosing peace over pain, growth over guilt, hope over hurt. The past cannot be changed, but you can change how much power it holds over you. Start by letting yourself feel, cry if you need to, scream if you must, but then breathe, stand tall, and take one step forward. Let the past be a teacher, not a prison. Let it guide you, not define you. You deserve happiness. You deserve to move on. You deserve to live fully, not just survive. And every time you feel like turning back, remind yourself, I am healing, I am growing, I am not what happened to me, I am who I choose to become. So take that step, close that chapter, and walk boldly into your new beginning. And if this touched your heart, like this video and subscribe to Zingdom, because your healing journey matters.